G'day, welcome to Accelerate Maths. Which of these do you think has the most momentum? Momentum is a measure of the motion of an object. But what does this mean? Well, the momentum of an object is a little bit like its power, especially when the objects collide. Momentum depends on an object's mass, like its weight, and its velocity, that's its speed. The rule for momentum equals the mass of the object in kilograms multiplied by its velocity or speed in metres per second. Both a bullet and a car have mass and velocity. The bullet has a small mass and a large velocity. The car has a large mass and a small velocity compared with the bullet. Let's see some quick examples. This motorbike, with a mass of 300 kilograms, goes at a speed of 100 kilometres per hour. That's 28 metres per second. How much momentum does it have? Momentum equals mass multiplied by the velocity or speed. That's 300 multiplied by 28, or 8,400 kilogram metres per second. This much heavier rally car with a mass of 1,200 kilograms goes round a bend slowly at a speed of 28 kilometres per hour. That's only 7 metres per second. How much momentum does it have on the bend? Its momentum is 1,200 times 7, or 8,400 kilogram metres per second. So this heavy, slow car has the same momentum as the lighter but faster motorbike. This bullet with a tiny mass of 4 grams, or 0.004 kilograms, flies at an incredible speed of 1 kilometre per second. That's 1,000 metres per second, or 3,600 kilometres per hour. How much momentum does it have? What do you think? The bullet's much smaller than the bike and the car, but it's much faster. First, we'll write the rule. Its momentum equals 0.004 kilograms multiplied by 1,000 metres per second. That's only 4 kilogram metres per second of momentum. Now, what would happen when these objects collide? The car is heavy but slow around a bend. The bike is light but fast. They have the same momentum. So if they collided head-on, both would simply come to a stop because the overall or net momentum is 0. Hey, what happens if a very small but very fast bullet hits a very heavy but very slow car? Well, the overall or net momentum is 8,396 kilogram metres per second from the car towards the bullet. So the bullet will obviously be crushed by the car. But the car does slow down slightly because of being hit by the bullet. Now a challenge for you. Momentum passes from one object to another when they collide, just like in this Rube Goldberg machine. Why don't you make one of these?